In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up user roles in QuickBooks Online Accountant. Setting up user roles properly is one of the best ways to protect your client's data and make sure your team only sees what they need to see. We'll walk through creating a custom role and then assigning that role to a user, so by the end you'll know exactly how to control access in your firm or client files. First, let's create a custom role. Start by going to the Settings menu in QuickBooks Online Accountant. This is the gear icon, usually in the upper right corner. From there, select Manage Users. This is where you control who can get into your books and what they can do once they're in. Inside Manage Users, look for the Roles tab. Go ahead and click that. This is where QuickBooks lists all the different roles that exist today. To create a new one, choose Add Role. QuickBooks will now ask if you're creating a role for firm roles or client roles. Firm roles apply to your own practice's books, while client roles apply to your client's QuickBooks files that you manage. Pick the option that matches what you're setting up right now. Next, give your role a clear role name and description. For example, you might call it Staff Sales Only, with a description like, can view and create sales transactions, but no access to banking or payroll. A clear name and description make it easier later when you're assigning roles to multiple users. Now you'll choose the specific permissions. QuickBooks usually breaks this down into areas like sales, expenses, reports, and so on, and within each area you'll see options like View, Create, Edit, and Delete. Take your time here. For sensitive areas like banking or payroll, you may want view-only access or no access at all. When you're happy with the permissions, click Save Role. Your new custom role is now ready to use. Next, let's add a user and assign that role. Still in Settings, go back to Manage Users, but this time, open the Users tab or the Team tab, depending on what you see in your version. Click Add User or Add Team Member. Enter the person's name and their email address. This is the email QuickBooks will use to send the invitation. If you're giving access to your firm's own books, you may also see an option to set their overall access level, such as No Access or Admin. Choose the level that makes sense. Now assign the role. You can pick the custom role you just created, or choose one of QuickBooks' standard roles if that fits better. Once everything looks correct, send the invitation. The user will receive an email, accept it, and they'll have exactly the permissions you defined in that role.